Hello, how do you solve this radical problem? Square root of x divided by x equals square root of 2. We are going to solve this in two different ways. So let's start by cross multiplying. So this over 1, we cross multiply. Square root of x will multiply 1. We have square root of x equals x times root 2. This is x root 2. So at this particular point in time, there's square root here and there's square root here. So you can decide to take the squares of both part of this equation. I take the squares here and I take the squares here. So this cancel this, I have x, and this equals for this, I distribute this exponent to each of the terms here. I have x power 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 2. So from here, I have x equals x power 2 times this cancel this. We have 2. So you have x equals x squared times 2. This is 2x squared. So from here, I can have x equals 2x squared. I divide this by x. I divide this by x. X cancel x. So what we have here is 1 equals, here is x raised to the power of 1. If you have a power n divided by a to the power of n equals a power n minus m. So we are going to have 2x power 2 minus 1 because this is power 2, this is power 1. Bases are the same. We subtract the exponent because there is division sign here. So from here, I have 1 equals 2x because 2 minus 1 is 1. We can solve for x here by dividing this by 2, dividing this by 2. 2 cancels 2, I have 1 over 2 equals x, meaning that x equals 1 divided by 2. Now, at this point, I can also solve it differently. If you have x equals x squared times 2, this is 2x squared. I can move this x over here. It becomes negative x. So I have 0 equals 2x squared minus x. So let's rearrange this. I have 2x squared minus x equals 0. So what I'm going to do is to factor out x. I have x times 2x squared divided by x. I have 2x minus x divided by x. I have 1. This equals 0. So I can have x equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0. So at this point, I move negative 1 here. I have 2x equals 1. So to solve for x, I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. 2 cancels 2. I have x equals 1 over 2. So you have x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 2. Now this is one method of solving it. So let's consider this other method. I have square root of x divided by x equals square root of 2. Now, if you have square root of a, this equals a power 1 over 2. So square root of x is the same thing as x power 1 over 2 divided by x equals square root of x. Sorry, square root of 2 here. Now, this x is raised to the power of 1. So if you have a power n divided by a power m equals a power n minus m. So what we are going to have will be x power 1 over 2 minus 1, because the bases are the same, we subtract the exponent, equals root 2. So you need to simplify 1 over 2 minus 1 and this over 1. We find the LCM. The common LCM here is 2. 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 minus 2 divides 1. That is 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. this equals 1 minus 2, negative 1 divided by 2. So we have x power negative 1 divided by 2 equals square root of 2. This square root here, we need to eliminate it and we can take squares of both parts. We have x power negative 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 equals square root of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So let's multiply this exponent. I have x power negative 2 divided by 2 equals, let's cancel this. I have 2. Negative 2 divided by 2, we have x power negative 1 equals 2. Now, if you have a power negative 1, this equals 1 over a. So x power negative 1 is the same thing as 1 over x. And this equals 2 and this over 1. So you cross multiply. 1 will multiply 1. You have 1 equals x multiplies 2. We have 2x. So to solve for x, we divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. 2 cancels 2. We have 1 divided by 2 equals x, meaning that x equals 1 divided by 2. So in this particular method, we have gotten one solution, which is 1 divided by 2. Now the next thing we are going to do will be to check. In data, we have two solutions which are s equals 0. We have x equals 0 and also x equals 1 over 2. These are the two solutions, irrespective of the method that we have used. So we have root x divided by x equals root 2. If s equals 0, we have 0 divided by 0 is the square root of 0. It is root 2. Square root of 0 is 0. We have 0 divided by 0, which is undefined here. And this is not root 2. So s equals 0 does not satisfy the equation, which is wrong solution. Let's consider x equals 1 over 2. I have root x divided by x equals root 2. So I have the square root of 1 divided by 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 equals root 2. So from here, if you have square root of a divided by b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. That means, applying that here, we are going to have square root of 1 divided by square root of 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 equals root 2. So square root of 1 here is 1 divided by square root of 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 equals root 2. If you have a divided by b divided by c divided by d, this equals a divided by b times d divided by c. So this is our a, b, c, d. That means you are going to have 1 divided by root 2 times 2 divided by 1 equals root 2. So we have 2 times 1. This is 2 divided by root 2 times 1. We have root 2. Is this the same thing as root 2? Let's rationalize this denominator. We have 2 divided by root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2 equals root 2. 2 times root 2, this is 2 root 2. Where root 2 times root 2, that is root 4, equals root 2. This is 2 root 2 divided by root 4, that is 2. equals root 2. Let's cancel this. We have root 2 equals root 2. So both sides are the same, meaning that the answer is obviously correct. So guys, this is it. This is how you solve this. Thank you and see you again.